AI is changing the world faster than anyone expected, but is your job next? Discover the shocking truth about which careers are disappearing, which are booming, and how to stay ahead before it's too late. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Let's talk about the new monster in the workplace: artificial intelligence. It's not just a buzzword anymore, it's a force quietly reshaping the world of work, one algorithm at a time. The office you know is changing, even if you haven't noticed it yet. While we've been laughing at robot fails and sharing memes about clumsy machines, AI has been silently studying us. It's been learning our routines, our habits, and the very tasks that fill our days. And now, it's not just learning, it's getting hired, taking on roles we once thought were safe. This isn't a sci-fi future. It's happening right now in offices around the globe. The shift is subtle, but it's everywhere, from the emails you receive to the reports you read. AI isn't a giant robot arm looming over your desk. Instead, it's millions of invisible lines of code, quietly running in the background. Each line is designed to replace a small part of what humans do. Only it does it faster, more accurately, and at a fraction of the cost. Today, AI is writing news articles, approving loans, and handling customer service inquiries. It's automating tasks that once required years of training and experience, building a digital foundation brick by brick. But let's be clear, this isn't about evil robots plotting world domination. It's about capitalism, efficiency, and the relentless pursuit of profit. Companies are always searching for ways to do more with less, and AI is the ultimate tool for that mission. Unlike human workers, AI doesn't need sleep, healthcare, or even a slice of birthday cake. It can work around the clock, never asking for a raise or a day off. For businesses, that's an irresistible offer. Think back to the Industrial Revolution, when machines replaced muscle and transformed factories forever. Now, the AI revolution is here, and it's replacing brainpower, automating decisions, analyzing data, and even managing teams. The skills that once got us hired, like data entry, analysis, and even creative writing, are now being replicated by software at a scale and speed we simply can't match. The bar for what makes us valuable at work is rising, and it's rising fast. The real question isn't if AI will change the job market, it's how much it already has, and how much further it will go. Every industry, from finance to journalism to healthcare, is feeling the impact. While we watched cat videos and scrolled through social media, AI was quietly updating its resume, learning new skills, and starting to work alongside us, often without us even realizing it. So, are you ready for your new digital coworker? Because whether you're prepared or not, the robot in the corner office is already here, and it's just getting started. Think this is just hype? You might want to reconsider. The idea of AI taking over jobs isn't some distant sci-fi scenario. It's happening right now in offices and industries all around us. Let's look at the headlines. Every week there's a new story about companies slashing jobs and replacing people with machines or software. It's not just a trend, it's a tidal wave. Take Klarna, for example. Their AI assistant didn't just help out, it replaced 700 customer service agents. Now, most customer chats are handled by AI, and they're resolved faster and at a fraction of the cost. For the company, it's a win. For workers, it's a warning. Tech giants like Google and Microsoft are making headlines too. They're laying off thousands of employees, even as they pour billions into developing AI that can automate the very jobs they're cutting. It's a paradox, investing in the future by letting go of the present workforce. In shipping, Merck's automated cranes and self-driving trucks are transforming ports. Where dozens of dock workers once managed cargo, now a handful of technicians oversee machines. Entire roles are disappearing, and it's happening fast. Even creative fields aren't immune. Ad agencies are letting go of copywriters and designers because AI can generate catchy slogans, social media posts, and even ad campaigns in seconds. The creative process is being automated, and the workforce is shrinking. Sure, the quality of AI-generated work might be bland or generic, but for many companies, speed and cost savings outweigh originality. The bottom line is king, and AI delivers results, fast and cheap. The robots aren't just coming for repetitive low-skill jobs, they're coming for clever, creative, and highly skilled ones too. No profession is truly safe from automation's reach. This isn't just a pilot program or a temporary experiment. For many companies, automation is now the core business model. It's a fundamental shift in how work gets done. If you think your job is safe, think again. The pace of change is accelerating, and no industry is off limits. Conversations about job security are happening everywhere, from break rooms to boardrooms. The AI takeover isn't a future threat, it's already underway. The world of work is being rewritten, and the question isn't if, but when, it will affect you. Why are companies so eager to swap humans for algorithms? Simple money. Humans are expensive. Salaries, benefits, office space, even electricity. AI is a one-time or subscription cost, with no sick days or lawsuits. AI works 24/7, never tires, and never calls in late. It analyzes data, finds trends, and produces results at superhuman speed. Humans make mistakes. AI is consistent and precise. In manufacturing or finance, that accuracy is priceless. Need to scale up? AI just needs more server space, not weeks of hiring. Companies get agility and instant response to market changes. To a corporation, AI is the perfect employee, tireless, scalable, and cheap. The spreadsheet doesn't need a coffee break. For business, that's irresistible. For workers, it's a warning. The modern office is being quietly transformed by AI. Administrative work, scheduling, bookkeeping, data entry, is now handled by software. AI scans invoices, schedules meetings, and manages data with zero human input. In law, AI does document review in minutes, shrinking the need for junior staff. HR, AI screens resumes before a human ever looks at them. If your resume isn't robot-friendly, it may never be seen. Even managers aren't safe. AI tracks productivity, allocates tasks, and generates reports. The traditional role of the manager is starting to look redundant. The robots aren't just climbing the corporate ladder, they're redesigning it. The office as we know it is being rewritten by code. On the factory floor, automation is evolving fast. Old robots were clunky and repetitive. Today's AI-powered machines are agile and adaptive. In warehouses, robots pick and pack products, working tirelessly and accurately. Quality control. AI-powered cameras spot defects humans miss at superhuman speed. Factories are cleaner, quieter, and need fewer people. The jobs left are technical, robot technicians and automation supervisors. Manual labor is out. Programming and troubleshooting are in. The factory job hasn't vanished, but it's transformed. The new workforce needs tech skills, not just muscle. The future of manufacturing is digital, and it's already here. Customer service is being automated out of existence. The old model, call a person for help, is fading fast. Now, AI chatbots handle most questions instantly, 24/7. Even when you reach a human, AI is feeding them answers in real time. The agent becomes a friendly voice for the algorithm. Companies save money, cut staff, and boost efficiency. The ultimate goal, zero-touch service, where machines handle everything. It's convenient for customers, but devastating for jobs. An entire category of work is disappearing, quietly, efficiently, and permanently. The next time you get help online, you might never speak to a human again. How are people reacting to AI's job takeover? Mostly with anxiety, and sometimes resistance. Workers feel insecure, worried their jobs are next. Some fight back. Hollywood writers and actors went on strike over AI-generated scripts and digital likenesses. Others turn to retraining, coding, boot camps, data science courses, and AI literacy workshops are booming. Governments and schools are scrambling to keep up, but many people remain unaware, enjoying AI's convenience without seeing the threat. The changes are gradual, hidden in corporate restructuring. Until it hits home, most people don't notice. That apathy makes the transition even easier for companies. When you ask the experts about the future of AI and jobs, you'll hear a wide spectrum of opinions, ranging from boundless optimism to deep-seated dread. Some see a world of opportunity, while others warn of unprecedented disruption. Tech evangelists are quick to point out that AI could actually create more jobs than it destroys, arguing that automation will free us from repetitive tasks and open up new possibilities for creative, meaningful work. They envision a future where humans and machines collaborate, sparking innovation and allowing people to focus on what they do best: imagine, invent, and inspire. On the other hand, cautious economists urge us not to overlook the looming skills gap. As old jobs disappear, the new ones that emerge often require advanced technical skills that many workers simply don't have yet. They warn that without significant investment in education and training, millions could be left behind. The consensus among many is clear. Without massive retraining and upskilling programs, we risk creating a society divided between those who can thrive in an AI-driven world and those who are left struggling to find their place. Pessimists argue that this time, the threat is fundamentally different. Unlike past waves of automation that replaced physical labor, AI is now automating cognitive tasks. Jobs that once seemed safe, from legal research to medical diagnostics, are now at risk. In response, some experts and activists are proposing radical solutions, such as universal basic income, to help offset the potential for mass unemployment and provide a safety net as society adapts to these rapid changes. Despite their differences, most experts agree on three key points. The pace of change is accelerating, the impact will be uneven across industries and communities, and the ability to adapt will be more important than ever before. Simply waiting and hoping for the best isn't a strategy. The future of work will be shaped by those who take action now. Individuals, companies, and governments all have a role to play in preparing for what's ahead. By investing in skills, rethinking policies, and fostering innovation. The clock is ticking, and the algorithms are only getting smarter. The choices we make today will determine who thrives in the world of tomorrow. We're at a crossroads. AI is coming for our jobs, and pretending otherwise won't help. The future of work is being rewritten by algorithms. Don't panic, prepare. Lifelong learning is essential. The one-skill career is dead. Adaptability is your best asset. Focus on skills AI can't easily replicate: critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence. Train for roles that require human connection or intricate dexterity. Think therapists, teachers, electricians. Don't compete with machines. Do what they can't. The story isn't finished. There will be disruption, but also opportunity. The future belongs to the flexible and curious. The robots are here. What will you do about it? Don't wait until your keycard stops working to find out. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Don't fear AI. Learn to work with it. Focus on developing human skills that technology can't replace, like creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, and strategic thinking. The key to thriving in the AI era is adaptability, not resistance. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.